Okay, we go to the next topic. So this is effective stress in soils. So effective stress concept. So if I have a layer of soil sa top portion and I have a layer of soil meaning if I have a layer of soil H1 and H2. So if the top portion is dry and the bottom portion is saturated, so there are different ways to solve for stress at A. Kung paano mo bali ng stress at A. So kung magbal kita ka total stress at A, that will be Y dry or dry unit weight times H1 plus Y sat times H2. Meaning i-add na lang dyan ang stresses sa top kag sa bottom para madabot mo ang total stress at A. Now, kung effective stress at A, ginaminus natin ang water. So, ang matabo, Y dry times H1, kay wala ti tubig, and then Y prime times H2, wherein your Y prime is Y sat minus YW. Meaning, saturated unit weight minus Y of water. Okay? So, I have an example. So, kung paano rin ginagamit. So, I have two layers, 4 meter layers, dry sand and saturated sand. So, given ang E kag GS sa dalaman, so that means pwede natin ma-solve ang Y dry kag ang Y sat. So, in order to solve for effective stress, ang problem gali. Given ng saturated ang E kag GS, compute the following. Effective stress at B, meaning ligya. Effective stress at C, ligya. And then, how high should the groundwater table rise so that the effective stress at C will be 104. Karon na natin i-solve. So, before kita mag-solve kang stress, solve na natin ang unit weight sa kada layer. So, for solution number 1, Y dry is equal to, formula is GS YW over 1 plus E. So, ang GS mo is 2.66. Ang YW ta is 9.81 kilonewton cubic divided by mo sa 1 plus 0.61. Y dry is equal to 16.21 kilonewton cubic meter. For Y sat, meaning ang saturated GS dalong, your Y sat is equal to GS plus E times YW over 1 plus E. Hindi na mag-agi, wala lang. Punta. 1 plus E. So that is saturated 2.67 plus E mo nga 0.48 times YW tangan 9.81. Hindi ko rin paputang ang unit kay may unit rin sa ako. Divided by 1 plus E. 1 plus 0.48. Your Y sat is 20.88. That is in kilonewton per cubic meter. So, batangan ko ka value. Y dry is equal to 16.21. Y sat is equal to 20.88. Now, the first question is, what is the effective stress at B? So, effective stress at B will be equal to bilang Y dry times H1. So that is 16.21 kilonewton cubic meter per cubic meter times H1 mga 4 meters. Your answer will be stress at B. Effective. stress at B will be 64.84 kilonewton cubic. Next, you have effective stress at C. At C, that will be Y dry times H1 plus Y prime times H2. So, the answer will be 68, sige lang, iluwat ganito lang. 16.21 times 4 plus Y sat mo nga 20.88 minus water mo nga 9.81 times H2 mo nga 5 meters. Effective stress at C is equal to 120.31. Okay, now ambal na sa number 3. Diin kuno hasta nga mag saka ang water table para okay, so Y dry is same ang gyapon 16.21. Y sat is to? Okay na 20.88. So kinahanglan natin di ka Y sat. Kay na dyan may value dira nga E kag GS. So solvon kung Y sat rigya. Ang value ka Y sat dyan is Y sat is equal to GS plus E YW over E. So ang GS ko kay na dyan sa babaw is 2.66 times E kung 0.61 times YW nga 9.81 divided by 1 plus 0.61. My answer is 19.92 kilonewton cubic meter, meaning may 19.92 ko dyan. So this will be H, this will be 5, this will be 4 minus H. Okay, if this is 4, tama ko lang dyan ka 4. 4 minus H, H. So mag-solve, you have effective stress at C. Effective stress at C is equal to Y dry H1 plus Y sat H, Y sat minus YW H plus Y sat YW H2. So may given kita nga value kitaan. Given ko lang. Okay lang ha? Okay rin? Okay rin? Good. May given ako nga value kay given ng 104. Given ng 104. This is 104 kilonewton per cubic meter is equal to Y dry ko nga 16.21 times H1 ko nga 4 minus H plus Y sat. So may Y sat ka nga 19.92 minus 9.81 times H plus Y sat pagit sa dalam nga 20.88. Kira dyan kayo naman 20.88 times 5. So you can solve for H. Your H is 2.65. The answer is 2.65 meters, meaning 2.65 yan. Amora ang sakaan na. Okay, so that's the general idea of effective stress of soil. I hope nga maintindihan yung kung paano dyan ginano. Okay, thank you class. Stop.